Today I'm going to look for trades on the second session. I did not take trades on the first session. Let's have a look. Our first strategy says it was gonna be a buy. Now let's see where I was going to take the trade. We buy. So it broke here, went up, came back to this level gap here. The target will be around these areas, but it hasn't been reached. Oh yeah, was the entry there. Small profit, but then yeah. Now let's look at our second session on the US chart. Second session, it already been started. Okay, let's put it right there. Now, the first message was a buy, then the second one was also a buy. If you look here, we are there higher high, lower low, higher high, and then lower low, higher. Let's check. Yes. Lower low, higher high, and a lower low. Then we broke all this higher high and that higher high, and it came back. Coming back, we've seen now after breaking this high here, we would have been expecting around that to say it's a change of direction. Broke up, came back to this pivot gap and went up. You see now the higher low, higher low, higher low. Now we are still on the second session. We are still focusing on the same. The strategy is still the same. Higher low, higher low, higher low. And we want to get another higher high. We want to get another higher high. We don't need any candle. It is going to close below this area. Once we see a candle that close below that area, it's a change of direction for second session. But for now, we are still looking for uptrend. We are waiting for a green candle. As you can see here, there is that other block. There is that also that one that was tested by this one. So if we see a green candle here, we're going high. Going high to take our profit around this area. But then if we see a candle that close below the line that we just talked about, then will change. The focus will change now to selling position, and we're expecting to take all these relatively equal lows. This one here. For now, we are still looking for up. Let's go to a GU. Let's go to GU. Okay, on the GU, we've seen a break. Came back to this. Yep. It went down. Would have taken a trade around. We have taken a trade around this area. As soon as it comes back, and when it's close at this level here, maybe I was gonna take a trade here, sell, right? My stop was just right. I think below this area, and maybe I will be still on the trade, or I would have maybe what's this? The spread would have taken me out. But then let's look for the trade now on a second session. We are still. Let's have a look here. We had a gap somewhere there. Let me test that. Excuse me now. For second strategy, we had a lower low and the higher high, and the lower low and the higher high. Now we failed to break this lower low. We failed to break this lower low. Okay. Now, if we break that one, if we have a candle, 8 minutes left. If we have a candle that close above that one, it's a change of direction. It signals a change of direction. If you really close up above the change of direction, but if you test that area and you have a red candle there, we're still going to take a sell. Take a sell. CP around this area. Let's take it at the high. CP is gonna be here. But we'll have a look after 7 minutes. Let's check euro. The euro have already shown us the change of direction. Let's have a look. Let's check. All right, we had a break down. Didn't have any opportunity to sell there. No opportunity. Check at 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Nope. We didn't have any opportunity to sell. It just went down. You can see it down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, There was a change of direction there. See, up, down, then it came back down. Okay, this one doesn't count now. This break here doesn't count. Why? Because it also closed below this one. Also closed below. Okay. Now, but now we have this one here. We have that one there. Already closed below these areas. Since you've already closed below, above, above these areas. Now we want you to come back. I want you to come back to this area here. Then we are going to buy the euro. The euro is ready to be bought now. Do understand it is coming to this area, but because of that break now, we're expecting you to come to this area and then we buy. Let's check the GU. GU. Nice test to that area there. And now we already have a break on Euro USD, and we have this area failing to break that area, but on a Euro, we have that area breaking this lower low. They are diverging. Diverge signals the change of direction, especially you, since you even failed to break this one down here. What are we saying on that one? I don't want to make it as a guess, or it must be something that I do always, because we have a signal saying we can sell GU, right? After testing that level up there with a nice wick, but we have a signal of diverging. We also have the signal of euro breaking that low, that high. We signals the uptrade. Let's check the chef. We also have the chef signaling that it might close below. We'll see. If it closes below, it says we are going down. The euro says going down, the chef saying, or euro saying going up, the chef saying going down. That is also a negatively correlation confirmation. So yeah, I'm not gonna take this trade with the GU. This one I'm not. How it's gonna be if you at least broke, then you came back to that area. It's gonna be a nice trade. We're not taking that one. Let's remove that. I want you to break that area and maybe come back. We'll see where you come back. We'll see where we can take a trade. So our focus now is on you. Already show us a clear sign that you are going up. So we want you to come back, and you we want to see that you really close below that line.